Hello YouTube, I'm an IntenseRed gamer. Welcome back to Sleeping Dogs. This game is pretty fun so far. Tap A quickly to free run over objects. I learned that earlier. Oh, that's right, I was having nightmares. Like a wee baby. Man, by the look of my veins, I am getting plenty of oxygen in my system. Alright, let's go. That was a good exhale. That was another good exhale. That's the third good exhale. I'm breathing.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that. Then the water still have to be cold, won't it? You think you can blackmail me by shortchanging my talents? It won't work, won't. I don't care what you do to them.
Looks like you're having some life trouble, buddy. I'll leave you to it. Excuse me, sir. What are we doing? Parking garage.
You have a car in here?
I have a car? I did not know I had a... Yes! Fuck yeah! Whoa, what did I just do? Okay. I like this game so much more now. This is how you ride bikes. Yes! Yes! Shit! We're good. Don't worry about it. Fucking yes! I gotta ride my bike like a normal person. Hang on. Okay, we're good. Would you stop riding your bike like a fucking... God damn it. Stop riding your bike like a fool. This is how you ride bikes. Alright, it's actually harder. I think it's harder to steer like that. No, it's not. It's hard to steer in general. Excuse me. Am I going the... Oh, shit! I forgot! This isn't America! God damn it! Whoa. Did I just slow down time for a sec? Stick-up delivery. Figured out the horn. Got it. I'm gonna drive around for a minute. This is kind of interesting. Wheelie time! Alright, fuck you. It looks like I scrunch up for impact. It's funny. Oh, fuck! Not in America. Gotta figure that out. Excuse me. Excuse me, more important person. Why'd that garbage can fall over? That's just ridiculous.
Wait, you okay, man?
Nah.
You look like someone took a shit on your face.
That's really rude.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, that's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. If we boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Let's do it. Ah, I'm driving a van now.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride.
It's pretty fucked up.
I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh yeah?
What do you think of Jill May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell
Ah, fuck. Not America.
Unless
Damn it.
that stopped me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship.
Ah! Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
Alright,
Off
fuck
of
this.
My last score, baby.
Haul. What haul?
Tires. Whoa. Put on this mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
I wanted to listen to the dialogue and stay in traffic so that way it would like play out, but I was not in the mood right there. I'll do it next time.
Keep the engine running.
We're not there. What are you doing, man?
I don't know why he was yelling at me just now. It's very rude.
Come and get me.
What happened? Oh shit, I'm just beating him up. You're going in the dumpster. Faggot. Can you not? I love doing that. Holy shit! I honestly just kind of wanted to see what happened if I died, but apparently I ragdoll so hard I fuck up the game. Alright, I'm actually gonna try now. Can you get the fuck out of my way? Come here, bitch. Fuck you. Oh shit, I hit them both. Oh! I fucking broke his arm or something shit. Something shit. That's how people talk, right? Okay, excuse you. I fucking grappled. Are you kicking me through the garbage can? Fuck you, I'm killing this guy. What? I am pressing Y. Alright, I'm waiting for it. God damn. Pain in my ass. And I was trying that time, that's sad. The only guy I'm worried about is the guy with the crowbar. Okay, I'm no longer worried about the guy with the crowbar. Oh shit. So do I gotta wait for people with weapons to give up their or have me break their arm? What the fuck was that bullshit punch? Did you see that? Eh. Come here, bitch. Come here. I'm waiting for him. Come here, bitch. I'm not done with you yet. Come here. Shit. That's unpleasant looking. Fucker. Come here. Oh, or get up yourself. That also works.
You were hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. Watch, you should be in the warehouse, man.
Yeah, and you sat there and did nothing. Dillweed.
Shit, we're taking off for good.
The fuck kind of car is that? Gotta remember, not in America, not in America. Left lane. Come on now. What? I could just speed up my... What? What?
Oh, shit.
Can you explain how that works? Alright, you know what? Whatever, man. It's kind of cool. I like it. It's a fun little mechanic. Fuck you. Bitch. My car is fucked up. Just two masked dumbasses. Booker. Come here. Come here, you fuck. Get the fuck back here. Oh shit, I'm fucking up with the cop score. I want to do well with the cops, because they were nice to me. Guy covered my ass.
Hey, man, we did it. Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
No, I didn't know there were watches. That's good to know, I guess. It might be a good idea to know what we're fucking stealing from another gang.
Wait, we got him.
Don't call my name! What's wrong with you? Hey, Wei Shen, who used to live in the United States, is an undercover operative. We got the watches.
We did it! Holy shit! We did it!
Oh shit, their car's on fire. Are they dead?
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive. Wait, drive.
The fuck is this camera angle? See, that's the camera angle I need. Oh shit! Not in America!
No wonder there's so many criminals in this town.
What are you doing?
Cops suck.
You think you can just ride a moped in my town? Oh my god.
I don't know. An asshole.
He's gone.
He has friends in Oh shit!
Oh my god, this is a blast. Fucker! This is fun.
Man,
Let's go find more motorcycle people.
get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses.
Oh, there's like no one around here. Damn
Other
it.
time, you gotta stand up to guys like that no matter who's backing them. What caused the bad blood?
Don't know. They used to be tight though. Hard to believe dog eyes would turn on a friend like that.
He always was a shit, even when we were kids.
Okay, we're good now. I told you I'd wait for the cutscene, or the talking, or
Where's
the
this guy we're meeting?
talking cutscene.
Don't worry. I'll take you from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. Sonola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait. You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.
Upgrades. Ooh. Oh, I gotta try it. Counterattack enemies. Okay. Reduce damage from unarmed strikes. Come on. Extra damage for all striking attacks. I want to do reduced damage, but let's see what the other ones are. Perform a rising strike when knocked down. Lock on and press A to roll over an enemy to face their back. Unlocks the ability to perform powerful weapon. I don't want to do triad stuff. Kind of want to do cop stuff because they probably have guns and shit. And I've always been a good guy in video games and everything. I just like making people happy even if they're not real people. That's sad as fuck, but still. Yeah, we'll do this one. More damage when striking people. Face advantages. Okay. So it's called my face meter. Health upgrades. These look like little lanterns of some kind. I must have to find them somewhere, maybe. Can I just... I'm just stealing this guy's scooter. Alright, bye. Wait, does that mean I can just... Does that mean I can just, like, steal people's cars? Like Grand Theft Auto? Oh shit, it does! Fuck yeah, dude! It's my car now. Wait, what's that? What? You see that? Hey, you over there! You stop that! Oh my god! Jesus! Whoa, what am I doing? Oh shit! Bye, Miss Lady! Oh my god! Why would I want to do that? Hey, fuck you! I'm gonna try and door check these guys. Fuck you! Oh! Hey, buddy! I can't. Why would I want to do that? Why? What advantage does that provide? Just so I can do that? So I can, like, check people? What am I doing in here? Why am I here? I'm gonna see if I can just clock somebody with this. Oh, come on, this guy. Damn it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo, buddy, you didn't see a thing. Yeah, keep on walking. Hey, I didn't do anything, man. Oh, is this one of them?
Legendary quality.
It's just one of the things. One of those. What do I do with it? What the fuck? Alright, bro. Whatever. That's exceedingly Asian. I think it's time for a new car. What do you guys say? By guys, I mean people. Damn it, I wanted to check him. Hey, what do you say we go back to where we started, huh? Thanks, bud. Whee! You got a problem, buddy? You got a problem? Can I do any special... I can't do any, like, special weird move on this bike. Normally, the button is A. I'm pressing A whenever I do that sort of thing. Like, look out the window or stand on my motorcycle weird. I'm pressing A, but now I'm pressing it and it's not doing anything. Run into the door! Would you shut up? What do you want?
What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
Wreck his car, huh? Alright. I'll have some fun. Let's go. This car was just unlocked. Let's fucking do it. Okay, I gotta take a monster shit. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. God, this is like the 4th episode of a video game where I've had to take a dump. Wait. You gotta bring your phone when you poop. Can't forget my phone while I'm pooping. You know what? I think next time I should take a recording of me going to shit, so that way, like, at least the video keeps going, and I can, like, talk while I'm shitting. You can hear the subtle sounds of feces leaving my rectum. I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I figured out how to drift. Skirt! Or e-brake, or whatever that is. Oh, that's extremely useful. Oh shit. I want to know what this is. Are these enemies? God, this camera sucks sometimes. It's just very annoying to deal with. Because I think it's got like predictive functionality, so it tries to guess where you want to look. And then, because you're not used to a camera that does that, you like overcorrect or something. Like I always look past. Ooh. Who leaves their car this unlocked? I'm gonna fuck up your car, buddy.
What the hell? What are you doing?
Dude, I'm just kind of an asshole right now. Face Experience. That's such a dumb name. It's a really dumb name, honestly. Whoa, what's this box? It's shining. Whoa, 10 grand? La 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 la.
May I help you with something?
Sure.
Okay.
All done. $30 for a soda? Increased damage, fantastic. Let's see, what's this? The local street racing problem is getting out of hand. Intercept and take out their vehicles. Hello? Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Are you kidding me? Alright, come here. I'm gonna fucking... Damn it! Not America! Come on. Fuck you! I'm gonna T-bone your ass. Fuck! Oh, no! That probably would have totaled the car in real life. You know, let's wait for this guy. There he is. Mr. Slowpoke. What's up, buddy? This is where I want to do better with the cops. Clearly more fun. You just do cooler shit. Oh shit, the race is almost over. I didn't even realize. I'm dumb as fuck. Come here. There. Kiss the left side of my fucking ass. Super SWAT tactical uniform. I think I'm good. I'm pretty sure I need to look like a gangster to actually progress the story, so... Oh, not America. Yeah, I want to keep this car. How do I keep this car? A fast fucking car. Can I just park it? All right, how do I close the door? Let's just... There. Close it with my legs. What? I can't save this car? God damn it. Wait. What is this car park called? Happy Cars Car Park. A+ naming, bro. What's up? No, I cannot, sir. Ooh, is that a cop thing? Because I want to get better with the cops. It looks like it. Come on, bitch. Yes, it's a cop thing.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted in there. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
Serious. Just like that.
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendra's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
All right.
Hell yeah, man. Now we're buddies. I'm glad. Winston wants to check on you. Everything cool. Oh, fuck. The hell is this guy doing? Meet me at the noodle shop. Okay. Alright, just going through the door, whatever. Okay. Cool. Damn, dude, I've been driving around for like 10 minutes or something. 5 or 10 minutes. This melee thing is still active. I like it. Okay. I'm gonna go find out what this car thing, this car symbol is about, and then we're gonna go and try to advance the story.
Oh, can you believe that price? Don't ask me how I keep it so low. Oh, can you believe that price? Don't ask me how I keep it so low.
Oh my god. NPC, can you just stop talking? Thank you! Bye-bye. Alright, so, car dealership. Got it. Hey, cop thing. Alright, last thing. Then we're going to advance the story. This is the last thing.
Got an AR in progress. Is there a tactical unit available?
PTU en route. Please stand by.
The fuck am I doing? I look kind of ridiculous, and I run kind of ridiculous right now.
Thank God you're here! Come on, pigs! What have you got?
Holy shit, this baton does work. What the fuck? Can I really? Yes. Oh my god! I'm fucking cleavering people. Alright, where'd my baton go? Did my baton go away? Oh no, I always have my baton. Okay. Oh god, I almost just got scared. Because that baton is brutal. But now I have a fucking meat cleaver! Come here, bitch! Oh, did it break? Fuck it. I don't give a goddamn what the cleanup crew is gonna love or not love. Yeah, full 3 shields. That's it? That's all I got for that? But I got $20,000? These rewards are confusing. Alright, story time. Nope, not helping the police right now. Story time. Jesus Christ, that's stopping power. Not stopping power, stopping speed? Shut the fuck up.
My man Wayne, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Yes.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see.
Oh god, is that the hideous ass lady?
Minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes will. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. 1 man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Kicking ass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass. Who are you? Get out of here.
喂，我諗緊 how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K? Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple. What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us? Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Tong. Nobody's going to fuck with the chairman. Nobody.
Hey, you haven't paid.
Oh, shit, I'm just doing this one. Fucking eat shit! Come here, you're going to the phone booth too. You think you're not? I just like slamming dudes. Look at that. Fucking awesome. Are you in the fucking truck? No. You're just standing next to it. You're just as useless as if you were in the truck.
I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You talk about. You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Yeah, clearly, because you're talking about him right now. How would you stop talking? Could get you into trouble. And that's coming from a guy who talks a fucking lot.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get there.
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my road before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasants from across the border. You never seen a car before? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh, but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little pieces. You want my money? Go ask Dog Eyes for it.
Hey, listen. This route is mine. You wanna drive a Dog Eyes route? Move to one he actually owns.
I don't pay twice for the same road.
You know what? You're taking your life in your own hands. You're gonna pay, funny guy.
I don't pay you. I drive my route.
You're gonna regret this. Get out of here. I'm taking your passenger.
Okay.
乜你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change.
Yeah, slight problem being I fucked the shit out of it. Oh shit.
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic!
Don't worry.
Oh shit, that's a sketchy situation right there. You see that ramp made out of dirt? Bye!
Buddy, don't kill us, please.
No, don't worry, all part of the procedure.
He's gonna kill us!
No, I'm not. Jesus, I didn't even see that passenger satisfaction meter.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week.
You were complaining about it the whole time. What are you talking about? Let's go and do another cop mission real quick, and then we're going to continue the story. Shit, wait, is it over here?
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Bobstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
There we go. I was going to say, why can't I run through these chairs?
You pop star? Who's asking? Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Very well. Find the deadbeats. Isn't that everyone's mission in life? To find the deadbeats and not talk to them? Like, just scope them out, make sure we know where they are at all times.
the hell are you?
What, you're just gonna beat me up because I exist? Fuck you. Make a phone call. Hello, operator. Bye. What the fuck just happened? Not what I requested.
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess son on you will take on anyone these days.
Excuse your ass?
Who's that?
Feng Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time.
Yeah.
Stay cool.
Hey, you two, come over here.
Let's go.
Stop. I'm under arrest.
Fuck. Whoa, what? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Do I just outrun them? I'm trying to do well with the police. Fuck, 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 fuck. I gotta find, like, a district where I can jump and climb over shit. Because I know that's the way I'm gonna be able to get out of here. I'm already, like, outrunning them. Come on, come on, come on. Give me this guy's bike. Give me the bike. Give me the bike. Give me the bike. Fuck off. Whee! Oh, shit. Go, 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 go. No, no, no. Fuck you. That guy just let me get on my bike. Legit, he just let me get on that. Where do I go now? Call Tang. Got it.
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
I got enough to bust Popstar. But I also met a supplier, a guy named Feng Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get some.
I'll get back to you.
Whoa. The fuck did I just do? Alright. I don't know where I put that helmet, but it's probably a porn about it somewhere.
Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
Cool. Fuck yeah! There it is. Alright. Wake and disarm gun-wielding enemies without a struggle. Use a Slim Jim. Oh, the car, the thing you used to break into cars. I like this one, but I haven't had problems with that. I'm gonna do this one. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Popstars connect supplies at Lok Fu Park. Do some surveillance. Okay. That's gonna have to do it for this episode. Jesus Christ, nothing really happened, unfortunately. But I hope you enjoyed, and please remember to leave a like, and I'll kick this car. Thanks for watching!